Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, add, and delete user accounts with command prompt in Windows. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type netspace, user. All username is displayed. Type netspace, user space, new username space, password space, /add. Type netspace, user. Type netspace, user space, admin backup space, /delete. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.